Yun, palakpakan po natin si Miss Shaira. Ayan.
Good morning, LMC family!
Good morning!
I am Ms. Shaira Joy Perez, and today I want to share a personal story that I hope will inspire you as much as it has inspired me. A short background of my disease, which is systemic lupus erythematosus. Ito po ay isang autoimmune disease in which the immune system in my body mistakenly attacks healthy tissues. Sa madaling salita po, kalaban po ng katawan ang mga sariling cells. And wala po itong cure. To prevent the further damage, part ng therapy or treatment is to suppress or pinapahina po ang immune system, which means I am very prone sa maraming sakit at medyo mahina po ang katawan. As a result of academic stress, 3 years ago, I was experiencing serious health issues. Na-experience ko yung seizures, matinding pagsakit ng ulo, pagod na hindi ko maintindihan, at lagnat na siyang rason kung bakit na-hospital ako. I felt overpowered by my mental and physical challenges at that difficult period. Dagdagan pa ng ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, ang hirap po talaga. Sa gitna ng lahat ng nangyari sa akin, my aunt introduced us this Crystal C alkaline. Aaminin ko, di madaling maniwala agad, especially na ngayon lang namin na-meet itong vitamins na ito. With so many products available, it can be difficult to determine which ones will actually have an impact. However, since we discovered that Crystal C alkaline is intended to be helpful, lalo na sa mga hyperacidic people like me, we made the decision to give it a try. Within weeks to months of introducing Crystal C alkaline into my daily routine, alongside with my lifestyle adjustment, I began to see a significant difference. My energy levels increased, and I noticed a big reduction in weariness and headaches. The alkaline quality of the vitamins was just what I needed, and I could feel my body responding favorably. My recovery time lasts 6 months, which is earlier than I expected. I also observed that my general sense of well-being increased. I felt more balanced and less overwhelmed by the demands of everyday life. Crystal C alkaline really helped me regulate my hyperacidity and improved my general health by boosting my immune system. What I like best about Crystal C alkaline is how it fits my unique requirements as a person with hyperacidity. Its alkaline composition is really useful to my illness, giving me a sense of relaxation and support that I hadn't seen in other supplements. Indeed, it is stomach friendly. Aside from that, it keeps the pH of my blood at a safe level, which regulates my body's general metabolism. By God's grace, I was able to complete my remaining years of college without needing to go back and forth to the hospital, even though I was exposed to a variety of individuals during my internship, given that I am an immunosuppressed patient owing to my SLE. To everyone out there who haven't tried this product, if you're having similar problems, particularly if you have hyperacidity or are coping with stress-related health difficulties, or you have a weak immune system, I strongly advise you to try Crystal C alkaline. It has made a significant impact for me, and I feel it may be useful addition to your overall health maintenance as well. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you find the same relief and improved well-being that I have experienced. And above all, I am really blessed and so much grateful to our living God for using Crystal C alkaline as an instrument for our family to enjoy a healthy and fruitful life. All glory and honor belongs to our living God alone. Remember, taking care of yourself is a journey, and finding the right tools along the way can make all the difference. Wishing you health, happiness, and a brighter, more balanced tomorrow.
Thank you so much, Miss Shaira. Wow. Ang ako naman ang tatay dito, pero hindi ko testimony. I think that's already. It's just that, if I may say, no, ang sakit po walang pinipili. Nakita po natin kanina, mapalalaki, mabata, talagang they're really prone sa sakit. But we're glad, and they've been mentioning that the product is so really, Crystal C in particular is very, very effective. And thank you so much for definitely giving us a testimony about this product. Alala ko na yung sabi ni Sir kanina, yung pangungopya. In fairness, sa mga nag-testimony po dito sa harap, hindi po sila nagkopyahan. Kanya-kanya po silang powerful testimony regarding our product po. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. There we go. But how about medical experts or professionals?